Hey guys, what a difference 3 months can make. Isn't it incredible what our country and really the world has gone through here with this COVID-19 in the last few months? But we're all still standing, aren't we? Thankfully. And, going into it, I know it affected our businesses. It couldn't help but. We had to change. We were really forced to make some changes. But thankfully, with technology, and everyone that knows me knows I am the most untechnological, can't even say it, guy that is out there. But with technology, we've really been able to navigate well, so much better than what we had originally anticipated. So a couple of things we've learned. I know a lot of you had never done an electronic application before, but you are now, and hats off to you. What we've learned is, we can still serve our customers. We can still write applications over the phone and on our computer. Now, if you don't know how to do that, or you still feel unsure, or you'd like to learn more, we have a YouTube channel that you can go to that really gives some great directions on that. So I'd really encourage you to go to that, and then I'd appreciate it if you'd like us. Okay, another thing that maybe some of you have experimented with, or you're using it all the time, are Zoom calls. We have been doing them internally and with our staff here, and is it the same as being belly to belly, across from the kitchen table or across from your desk? No, it's not, but it's darn close. And so many of your customers are comfortable with that. We can educate them how to do that. So again, if that's something that you would like to learn and lean into more, you can check out the information that we have on that as well. We'd love for you to look it up. So in summary, we have some really great resources that will help you be more confident, more comfortable in working remotely from your home or from your office. And there's some links here that you can click on that'll get you to where you need to go. Okay, so appreciate you. You don't know how much. Thanks for sticking with us. Let's all stick together as we all go forward together. Okay, good selling.